Father Mbaka has made it clear in a viral video that when he returned from USA monastery, he was calling Ebuka Obi on phone, but Ebuka Obi did not pick his call. The next thing that he was hearing is Ebuka Obi throwing a side talk that Father Mbaka is the one attacking Ebuka Obi, who doesn't want Ebuka Obi to progress. But he was the one calling Ebuka Obi on phone after he returned from USA monastery, but Ebuka Obi failed to pick his call. And number two, he said that he was thinking that Ebuka Obi would come and invite him to the Enugu crusade, but he never did. And he was wishing to, even if he could not be able to come to the crusade, that he was wishing to support the crusaders with a trailer of water. At least let them drink, that he know that majority of people that come to that crusade is his own adolers, and also the members of Ebuka Obi is also his own adolers members, that there's nothing that they are dragging. But Ebuka Obi failed to pick his call. So this is act of pride in Ebuka Obi. Watch the video.
I think I got married a few weeks ago. Okay, no Ebuka Obi. Genti, Dare Enugu. Ebuka Obi made a mistake. Listen. Now, what was the mistake? I'm not of them know a program when I never knew there was a program they were organizing at Enugu. It was somebody who called me, Kenechuku. I said, wow, I didn't know. He said he saw the billboard, something like that. It's okay, I'm not aware. When eventually I heard they were coming, I thought it was to be in an all-night program. Of course, I did an all-night adoration on Friday here. Did I tell anybody not to go there? I didn't mention anything about that. I didn't tell anybody don't go, because I know that 90% or more of the Zionites are adoration members. So I love my children. Even the Ebuka used to come here. So I was thinking that if he comes, that he will come to see me. I was waiting to welcome him. Look at the mistake he made. If he had come to my house, I ought to have shown a good hospitality. Yes. Hospitality. I had a heart of love. Even I had instructed my people to move to their area of administration with a big 2-trailer loads of aquarafa to give to the participants. So when I'm hearing all this rubbish they are saying in the social media, I said people should be careful. There are people you don't attack successfully. You are not inside for Mbaka. You don't advise me. I don't have a PA that tells me what to do. And I was thinking that he came to Enugu with the permission of my bishop, His Lordship, Right Reverend Dr. CVC Onaga, or the auxiliary. His Lordship, Right Reverend Dr. Obodo, and Ezichukwu, Ernest. I never knew that the church in Enugu was not even part of it. I could have been hoodwinked into thinking that this is an ecclesia program and ought to have rendered such hospitable spirituality by accepting him and blessing him and say, now he is coming to Enugu land. Let me tell my children, welcome. Magaman he nile gabe na stadium abo ko mum ka abo. Ama odum no wuri ihe ozo ana ehihiekwere n'ite na akọ. So when they are talking about where an Enugu woro, Mbaka is too busy for all these careless distractions.